Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to gift Noon gift card. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Noon app, and then here on the home section you can actually come here and search for Noon gift cards. Just type in gift card Noon, for example. You'll see different options. Okay, come here and just select Noon gift card, and you can customize these depending on occasion. I'll just stick with the normal Noon gift card, and then you can come here and choose the gift card amount. They have predetermined options from 25 dirhams all the way to 500 dirhams, or you can enter a custom amount, let's say 250 dirhams, and then you can select the quantity for this one as well. You can increase that, so that'll be a total of 500 dirhams. I'll just stick with one, and I'll toggle off buying for myself. And since we're gifting someone, we just enter the receiver's name right here, and you enter their email address as well. So let me go ahead and put that in. And after that, you will be able to come here at the bottom and tap on proceed to buy. And you're gifting them the gift card. You enter your mobile number, confirm that, and go make the purchase. But that is how to gift Noon gift card.